lease modification, extension of lease term. So, nanata sa extension of lease term. On January 1, 2020, an entity entered into a lease for office space with the following information. Annual rental payable at the end of each year beginning December 31, 2020 is 200,000. Lease term is 5 years. Implicit rate in the lease is 9%. Present value of an ordinary annuity of 1 or 5 periods at 9% is 3.89. On January 1, 2022, the entity and the lessor agreed to amend the amend the original lease by extending the lease term by 3 more years with the following information. So, another agreement. Annual rental payable at the end of year beginning December 31, 2022 is 200,000. Implicit rate in the lease is 11%. Present value of an ordinary annuity of 1 at 11% for 6 period is 4.231. So, computation. Annual rental payable at the end of each year beginning December 31, 2022 is 200,000. Present value of an ordinary annuity is 3.89. Get times sila. Multiply sila times mo. Present value of the lease liability is 778,000. Check. Anyway, ay napunta sa table. So, present value is 778,000. Ang iyahang annual payment is 200,000. So, ang iyang interest, 778,000 times, pila na to ka percent? 9%. So, okay, sakto. 778,000 multiplied by 9%. So, that is our interest. So, whatever the difference between the payment and the interest will be your amortization to your present value or the lease liability. So, ang amortization is 129,980. So, by the end of December 31, 2021, ang iyang present value is 506,342. So, ay na po das journal entries for 2020. So, right of use asset is 778,000 debit, and then lease liability is 778,000 credit. Interest expense is 778,000 multiplied by 9%. Mawari siya ang 70,020 debit. And then lease liability, 129,980 debit. And then cash credit, 200,000. And then depreciation is 155,600 debit. And then accumulated depreciation, 155,600 credit. So, giunsa siya pagkuha ang depreciation, divide ang 778,000 for 5 years. Okay. Present value of lease payments on January 1, 2020 as a result of the extension is 846,200. Giunsa siya pagkuha, 200,000 multiplied by 4.31. So, less ang carrying amount on January 1, 2022 before the extension. So, 506,342. And then, the increase in lease liability now is 339,858. So, alin na punta sa table. Table again. So, ang present value nga 846,200, gi-multiply siya sa iyahang interest nga 11%. So, mura gihapon ang payment less sa interest is our amortization. Again. So, by December 31, 2024, the present value is 342,645. Journal entries for 2022. Alin about as journal entries? Right of use asset. 339,858 debit, and then lease liability 339,858 credit, interest expense 93,000, 93,082, then lease liability 106,918 debit, and then cash 200,000 credit, depreciation 134,443 debit, and then accumulated depreciation 134,443 credit, and then unsa siya pagkuha, divide ang 806,858 katong adjusted carrying amount by 6 years kay extended lease term to niya.